Hello everybody. I'm continuing on with the V-tek TM-50 Teardown. This is the main board. It was hard to see inside the unit. I have removed the microcontroller. I assembled me a PLCC 68 adapter for the Mega Magic for the Zeltec. I did attempt to read the microcontroller. Here's the microcontroller. Zoom in so you can see it. It's a PIC 18F6585. On the blog in the description, there will be a link. I'll post the results there, but it was read protected. I think there's only like one block that wasn't read protected. But let's show you the back of this board. So that's kind of a bummer. We do have an EEPROM here. It's a 24LC16B. Well constructed board. It's clean. A little hand soldering was done there, so a little bit of flux, but I've seen worse. Have you ever opened up a JBC soldering station? Woo! But there's some information there. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is going to work for my intended purpose. Let's show you the display. Display looks like an off-the-shelf display. You guys can look up the numbers. But it don't look like it's anything special. But that is the main board. This looks like some sort of, back to that, it looks like some sort of regulator unit. I haven't looked up the numbers yet, but I don't know if you guys can see any of that. Let me zoom in, see if you guys can get the, I'll post pictures on the blog. Go through this once more. Just so no complaints. You guys should comment, like, and subscribe if you like this type of content. I wonder what the jumper does. I need to find a manual for this exact unit. But hope you guys enjoy this content. Let me know if you do or don't. I don't mind if you don't. Let me hear it. Catch y'all later. Oh, wait a second. We have to feed, we got Cotty. We gotta feed Cotty. Here, we'll feed Cotty. Here you go. We can feed Cotties. Gotta give Cotty cookies. Can't end a video without giving Cotty cookies. Okay. Cotties. There's the Cotty girls. There's the Cotties. Okay, everybody gotta see Cotties. Gotta go.